Did you feel like you were going to get in because, master's in finance programs, they're typically pretty expensive, and I think they're a good moneymaker for the school. Did you feel like they pretty much had the door open, or did you feel like you still had to get a decent score on the GMAT? Like, is the acceptance rate pretty high on those?
I don't know about I think my program was so, but look, I think that one was one, I should probably be careful saying this. It was kind of one of those, like, if you're going to write a check, they'll find a way to get you in, to your point. Like,
yeah. That's a sense that I get, to be fair. Like, that's a sense that I get for a lot of these programs, even though they're good, they're nice little feeders.
Yeah. Well, it's same with MBA, frankly, too. Like, right, when we graduated, there was executive MBA, professional MBA. I mean, there was, 2 hours of MBAs being announced across the stage. So I think the key point with these is know what you're using it for, right? It's don't go do it for the sake of doing it. It's the same with law school. Like, if you're going to go spend an exorbitant amount of money and time on a degree, what is the end to that? What are you trying to achieve specifically?
So you felt like the Master in Finance was a better fit for you. It was 1 year instead of 2, instead of the MBA.
Exactly.